He's sleeping on the furnace, the boiler where it's warm. Let's have a look. There he is. There he is. Look at there. Look what we got here. Looky here. Hey. I don't know if you can see this or not. But things are starting to green up. Springtime is here. We're supposed to get a storm today. Rain, 70% chance. Look at the sky. We've got something coming. We even have dandelions.
And that's all, folks.